and you've got a good opportunity there. So there's 3 opportunities. So I already know I only need 3 trades. Okay. Well, how do I get my 200 quid? Well, if I'm looking to trade the DAX, getting 20 pips is relatively easy. 5 a point is 100. Do that twice out of those 3 opportunities, and that's it. Job's done. So instead of trying to go to the market like a machine gun, I've actually planned it out before I even go to market. I know what I'm doing, know what I'm looking for, and I know how many opportunities I've got. Now, if I'm going in as a scalper, I can't do 2 trades to get 200 quid on a fiver. I'm going to have to do loads of trades. So what happens now is I put myself in front of the freight train, and I know I might have a lucky day, but the chances are I'm going to get caught, which is why, well, I've been in the industry 20 years. I've never seen a scalper make it yet. Not one. And I know professional traders that are far better than me, because I'm not the best trader in the world, guys.